pilot is back in the cockpit, flying air shows proving that anything is possible, no matter the odds. To his fans, hopes are inspired to achieve the unachievable.
En montée verticale, de façon synchronisée, mesdames et messieurs, le triple hammerhead. One of the hardest parts of the formation act is the rejoin. Watch as Greg flies a gentle turn as Todd and Mario set out to catch up. Slowly but surely, Todd and Mario will slip back into the formation, all within the confines of the aerobatic box. It's either back in formation now. Regardez la gauche et à droite, alors que Greg est là. The Northern Stars fly the famous Pit Special, designed by Curtis Pitts, to win aerobatic contests. The Pitts is a PC 5-lane car.
Whoa!
Bird in the sky, dedicated to their adoring fans and their friend Sam Cox.
Regardez maintenant, Greg est en sur position aux extrémités opposées de la grande voltige pour se préparer pour
Ariel Hurdell, former schoolroom pilot, rider pilot, for the Avalanche. Watch him pull straight up. How about that? Vertical in a line of spirit formation. Alright, now let's follow Mario as he pulls right from the formation into a keep it.
Le rôle du pilote en chef est de voler chaque manœuvre aussi doucement et aussi discrètement possible, tandis que les coéquipiers restent en formation en utilisant des points de repère. Alors que s'éloigne maintenant, préparez vos appareils photo alors que l'équipe va les alors que le corps fait encore des signes de manœuvre gyroscopique, poussant au maximum l'enveloppe pour éviter solo. Regardez bien maintenant. Voir dans le ciel. La prochaine la chicane
très très bien au-dessus de l'œil. Et encore une fois, je vous rappelle que dans cette jeune figure, elle affronte des vents de face de 250 km/h, donc l'équivalent d'un court avion de catégorie 100
mode and engineer around it. Mike is a mechanical engineer and airline pilot who has designed experimental equipment used aboard the International Space Station and has even built rockets designed to go into space. Together, Sam and Mike credited the M14 powered everything from electric generators and helicopters in the Soviet Union, and its power to weight ratio made it desirable for sport aircraft builders in North America. While trying to build this airplane from raw material, this is not a kid thing. It took 3.5 years of late nights of dedication and includes some interesting custom ideas of his own. It has a look of the 1930s classic biplane with the performance of today's modern aircraft, and oh my goodness, what a beautiful sound. Model is the Model 12, and it's the final type in the long line of history-making biplanes. Okay, you can see Sam is waving at you. She can see you, even though she's strapped up top that airplane. She's got full movement of her head, her arms. Various other Canadian military helicopters. Major Hurton has extensive experience on the Griffin helicopter, including
pilote automatique, c'est vraiment le pilote, le co-pilote, et on ne voit pas l'arrière, donc on se fie aux aides pour faire la formation de base du pilote, le Tiger Box. Le moteur Gypsy Box de 130 chevaux va être démarré à la main par un unité de soutien au sol.
And the shippers will now make their way towards the drop zone. Please give it up for our three-stack drop.